Hello rail enthusiasts and welcome back to Oklahoma Railfan. Today's video is a real treat, so you definitely want to stick around. Today we are coming to you from Cherokee Yard, one of my favorite spots to railfan, and it doesn't take long to see why. We barely get started before the action begins. Right off the bat we catch our first train coming through, a BNSF transfer led by BNSF 3111. After 3111 passes through, we turn our camera back towards this curve here. And just around this curve is the BNSF Avar subdivision. And just so happens our next train is coming off the Avar subdivision. A S intermodal train heading all the way to Memphis, Tennessee. This is pretty uncommon catch for the area, especially because of its unique 1x2 locomotive consist. That means one locomotive in the front with two more distributed on the rear of the train. Coming in as our third train of the day, we catch a BNSF Z intermodal led by a BNSF GEVO trio. This train is heading on to Los Angeles, California. We're in the same spot as the last train, just positioned on the other side of the curve this time. There's not too much to say about this one, so sit back and enjoy the train pass by. After those three trains passed, we had been railfanning for about an hour, so we decided to reposition to the center of the universe in downtown Tulsa. After about a 10-minute drive and a 30-minute wait, our next train finally showed up. It was the Tulsa to Memphis mixed freight, heading outbound. Led by a GEVO with an SD70 ACE trailing behind, the engineer gave us a little horn show as he passed by. At the conclusion of our 4th train of the day, here is a little tiny advertisement for you. Right now at www.oklahomarailfan.com, you can buy exclusive Oklahoma Railfan merch for low prices that'll keep you rolling on your next Railfan trip. Check it out in the link below. We thought the action was over, so we were just about ready to drive around for a little bit. But right before we left, I checked my phone and saw a message from another Railfan saying a BNSF Heritage 1 locomotive had just departed Cherokee Yard, leading a train. Almost at the same moment, we could hear it coming our way. Luckily, I got my camera set up just in time to catch this Heritage 1 leader. So after the train got past the center of the universe, we decided we were going to try and catch up to it at the Tulsa International Airport. But here's the problem. It takes a train 11 minutes to go from center of the universe to the Tulsa International Airport, and it takes 10 minutes by car, and the train was already past us. But somehow, one way or another, we made it with about 1 minute and 30 seconds to spare, and we got to see 987 come downhill at the Tulsa International Airport. And it turns out this locomotive has a Canadian horn on it, which was also a cool addition. And right before leaving, we happened to catch one more train, which was a little unexpected turn for the end of the train day. Make sure to like and subscribe to the Oklahoma Railfan YouTube channel, and make sure to follow the Oklahoma Railfan page on Facebook, and I will see y'all in the next video. Oklahoma Railfan, signing out.